Putting into service. Fill the tank with water. To turn the machine on, operate the ignition switch located at the rear of the machine. The following number is displayed. Then proceed to fill the tank and press the coffee brewing button. The display shows the countdown of 30 seconds of water dispensing from the coffee group, during which the water enters the boiler. Once the countdown is over, the machine is ready. Quick disclaimer: make sure you do the following operation just the first time. To enter the menu, press and hold the coffee key for 5 seconds. To move between the parameters, press the up and down keys. Parameters appear in the following order. Temperature. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the unit of measurement, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Then move up and down with the buttons to choose one. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. Eco function. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the minutes to wait before the machine enters eco mode. Choose the minutes with the up and down keys. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. Standby mode. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the minutes to wait before the machine enters standby mode. Choose the minutes with the arrow keys. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. Pre-infusion. Press coffee dispenser button to set the pre-infusion to on or off. Choose with the arrow keys the desired value. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm your choice. Offset. The offset is the value that compensates the temperature of the heating element compared with the supply temperature. Choose with the arrow keys the desired value. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. It is recommended to keep the standard set. Choose a steam temperature between 130 degrees to 140 degrees. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the temperature. Choose with the arrow keys. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. Coffee temperature. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the temperature. Choose with the arrow keys the desired value. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. It is recommended to maintain the standard set. Coffee brewing. Fill the filter with 1 or 2 doses of coffee, then proceed to hang it up and tighten it in the dispensing group by turning it counterclockwise. Place the cups at the exit holes. Press the coffee dispense switch. On the display, the delivery seconds begin to run. To finish brewing coffee, simply press the brewing button again. Coffee dispensing manual profiling. Press the coffee dispense switch and adjust the profiling valve. Turn the valve lever clockwise to work at low pressure. Increase the extraction pressure at will by turning the lever anti-clockwise. Hot water supply. Press the hot water draw-off button. The pump starts and the water comes up to temperature. Open the tap to dispense water. Press the dispensing button again and close the tap. Steam supply. By pressing the steam button, the machine prepares to dispense, and the display shows the message, "Steam up," to indicate that the temperature is rising for steam execution. When the temperature has been reached, open the tap. When you have finished heating the drink, close the tap and press the steam button again.